Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan Brown. I'm the CEO and founder of Livy AI, a AI-powered content creation tool for small businesses, content creators, enterprises as well. We have a theory and belief and vision that in order to scale your business, you need to reach your customers where they are and however they are consuming media, advertisements, and so forth. So we want to be your one-stop generation platform that allows you to do just that. So looking at our tools, we have a wide range of tools coming from AI chatbots that will support you and teach you how to generate content in this new age era, whether it's being a screenwriter or an actor or even just an SEO writer. We have AI chatbots that are fine-tuned to give you the knowledge that you need. Not only that, we have an AI image generator that allows you to generate images for your content creation needs, a script writing tool, which we have spent a lot of time and energy in creating the best high quality and long form scripts, something that we'll continue to talk about in this series. A speech to text, so take your voice, turn it into handwritten content, making it easier for you to generate content at a scalable rate. And then finally, take your text and turn it into voice. So something that we have internally thought about and talked about as being able to take an idea and from that, be able to create a podcast, a music series, and so forth, just off of text itself. So we have a lot of amazing tools that we're actively improving and adding to, and we'll talk about each one of them in depth in this series. So stay tuned. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to like and subscribe and add it in the comments. We'll make sure to address them over time. And yes, thank you so much. And today is the first part of a long-going series of all the tools and capabilities that you need in order to take your content to the next level with Livy AI.